Getting started with the SEMA S107. The first thing you want to do is remove it from the box. There are wire ties holding down the helicopter and the transmitter. You also want to verify that the joysticks are undamaged and functioning properly. On the back you'll find a package of parts and an instruction manual. Be sure to thoroughly read through the manual and understand it before flying your helicopter. Once you free the helicopter and the transmitter from the retail packaging, you will need 6 AA batteries and a small Phillips head screwdriver. On the back of the transmitter, you're going to find a small Phillips head screw. Unscrew that and remove the battery cover. Install your 6 AA batteries and replace the cover and secure it down with the small Phillips head screw. When you turn it on, verify that you have a solid green light. Also, be sure to center the trim on the transmitter. In the package, you'll find a yellow USB cord with an optional tail blade. Now on the back of the transmitter, you'll find a charging cable that'll charge the helicopter. Note the orientation of the plug. Also note the orientation of the plug on the chopper. Plug it in lightly, there's no need to force it. Turn on the transmitter to verify it's charging with a red light. Now on the USB cable, plug it in the same way. When you plug it into a USB port, it will be charging. Once it's done charging, you'll be greeted with a red light on the port. Now to fly the helicopter, turn on the transmitter first, then the helicopter, and start flying. Note the right joystick rotates the helicopter clockwise and counterclockwise with left and right movements. And when you move the right joystick forward and back, you'll notice the tail blade will spin up. That allows the helicopter to go forward and back. A combination of throttle and right joystick movements will allow you to precisely fly this S107 helicopter. Now in the case of a crash, you want to make sure you double check all the components on your chopper before flying again. Things to check are your gears, spin the blades, and ensure that your gears are not stripped and the teeth are all there. Also check to ensure your main shaft is not bent. You can also check your blades and ensure they are not cracked or bent or warped. Also make sure your balance bar is held on tightly and the linkages are held on tightly. You also want to check to ensure your blade grips are securely holding on the blades. When you're done with the chopper, turn off the chopper first, then turn off the transmitter. So that concludes our getting started guide for the S107 chopper. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorial videos on xheli.com.